Yo molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment guys. Episode 5 of Uthando Nesithembu Uncut has everyone talking. Okay, I think segment abantu abathethe kakhulu ngayo is the part whereby uTata Mseleku ebekhalaza once again, throwing Umpumelelo and umamakhe uMayeni under the bus. This is for the second time ebenza kanjena, you guys. The first time, of course, it was when uTata Mseleku literally decided to say Umpumelelo noMayeni bahlukumeza uVuyokazi abamphathanga kahle during his stay eMzumbe. Now once again uTata Mseleku kule segment revealed that uMayeni noMpumelelo are ganging up, or rather uMayeni is trying to turn Umpumelelo against him by ukumfaka ushevu, saying things like uTata Mseleku is taking care more of uMakhumalo, okanye nguye kuphela uMakhumalo onakekelwe kakhulu kweli khaya. Uthi uTata Mseleku ayikho into angayenzanga to ensure that uMpumelelo uzoba indoda eqotho, uzoba the best heir that he can be, so that ezokwazi to then take over umzi wakhe once he has passed on you guys. But uyatsho by the way izinto ezenzeka ngakhona ingathi yilonto ayizukwenzeka, but we'll all have to wait up until eswelekile. Then we will see indoba how will Umpumelelo be able to run umzi, because at this point it does seem as though akamhloniphi, umbona as umntu osisiyoyoyo, umntu othobileyo, umntu nje that allows for everyone to run over him. Uthi Umpumelelo ingathi yena as uTata Mseleku does not see him as a role model, but umbona as indoda esisiyoyoyo kakhulu. Guys, now ndabona i-comment yababuhlungu to me. Khona umntu othe, the child you favor the most is always the one that is going to turn against you and show you flames, you guys. And uTata Mseleku, when bebalisa lento eyenziwa nguMayeni, or rather allegedly yenziwa nguMayeni kuMpumelelo ezama ukumtshintsha against yena, imphatha kabuhlungu to such an extent that uyakhala. Sizokhumbula there was once a time whereby uMakhumalo and even Umpumelelo, they were quite closely, they were traveling together, Abesiya eskoleni back to Durban, and we no longer see any of that. And we wonder indoba what really happened between Umpumelelo no Makhumalo. So maybe this explains why Umpumelelo no Makhumalo are no longer as close as before. Ndiyakhumbula guys, even the time uMayeni brought up indaba ye-poison kamnini, a relationship ngelo xesha already between Umpumelelo noMakhumalo was not as strong as it used to be before. So umhlambi guys, zezo zinto ke ezithethisayo, okanye zezo zinto ke uMayeni azifida umntana wakhe, ngeke sazi the full story. Now I just want to congratulate uMakhumalo, because uye watrenda kakhulu after ke le episode lena. Abantu abaninzi bayabuza ba, hayibo guys, why are we not seeing episode kaMakhumalo? We've literally seen all the wives, even uSamke, uMangwabe, I think uphinde kayi-2, but uMakhumalo yena yedwa asikamboni in this entire uncut. What is going on now? Ke kukhona ke umntu isource ethi allegedly kuthiwa uMakhumalo is currently busy with her own reality TV show where it will all be about her and her alone. Amanye ke amakhosikazi, they will not be featured. She is the queen she thinks she is. Okay, so I'm not gonna say this is a lie, because uMakhumalo is a producer of a lot of things. We are producer izingane zesithembu, they are also producing being a xaba, like ininzi into uMakhumalo ayenzayo behind the scenes. So I would really be happy for her if wenza her own reality TV, you guys. But anyways, in the meantime, do let me know your thoughts, guys, and ngizonibona shortly. Bye guys.